Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the RF and suction handpiece to the machine. Connect the RF and suction body handpiece to the machine. Connect the EMS and EL handpiece to the machine. Connect the RF and ultrasound handpiece to the machine. Pull all the handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press power switch to start the machine.